I'm Sammy Harris. I am the automotive instructor for the NPC NAVIT Automotive Program on the White Mountain campus. Our students come here for 2 years. They get all 9 sections of the ASE certifications, which covers everything from electrical to brakes, steering and suspension, heating and air conditioning, automatic trans, manual trans. So they cover the whole spectrum of the automotive industry to prepare them to go out and get a job.
I'm Gabe Kennard. I'm from Snowflake High School, and this is my 2nd year in the NAVIT program. Growing up as a kid, I loved looking at cars. I loved going to car shows, watching movies about cars, everything about it. When I got to the point where I could take NAVIT as an auto class, I jumped on the opportunity to learn how to work on my own cars and stuff like that. Favorite part of the class is all the hands-on opportunities, being able to work out in the shop on actual customers' cars, not just on specific modules or being on the computer the whole time, being able to get out there and actually do stuff. If you're a sophomore and you're interested in cars or really NAVIT at all, I definitely recommend any of the classes, especially this one. Even going into the career field, or if you're not, it's a great opportunity to learn and get a bunch of certificates that you can use later on. Shout out to Mr. Harris and Mr. Butler and all the other faculty here for giving me this great opportunity and the upcoming people.
My name is Landon Erickson. I'm from Charlotte High School, and I'm a 2nd year. I joined the class because growing up, my stepdad owned a shop, and I've always been around vehicles, and I've always wanted to be interested in doing vehicles, so I joined the class to learn more about it. My favorite part about the classes is working with all my friends and working on new vehicles I've never worked on before. If you have lots of passion for vehicles, we might as well make it a career, and you can come here and learn to make it a career. And it's pretty awesome to get credits while you're in high school, very beneficial, and you get to have fun while you still earn a lot of college credits. I'd like to thank Mr. Harris and NPC and all my instructors for the class.
I enjoy working with my students. I enjoy watching them develop their skills and also develop their personal skills as far as being able to communicate and sell themselves. The NAVIT program and CTE programs are amazing for high school students because they can leave our programs when they graduate high school and go out into the workforce and start making an income and basically support themselves.